Students, now in this video we are going to learn the third way of construction of triangle, in which two base angles and the perimeter of triangle is given. For that I have taken one example from exercise 4.3, that is question number 1. So in which we are going to construct triangle PQR where two base angles, angle Q of measure 70 degree, angle R of measure 80 degree are given, and the perimeter of triangle is 9.5 centimeter. Now first of all we have to draw a segment of the length equal to the perimeter length. So here this is a segment of length 9.5. Now here PQ plus QR plus PR is equal to 9.5. Let us suppose that somewhere here point Q is there and somewhere here point R is there. Now somewhere here point P will be. So in this way the triangle PQR is to be constructed in the next step. Now here PQ, length of PQ is equal to length of QS. Whatever the length of PQ is there, same is the length of QS. At the same time, whatever the length of PR is there, same is the length of RT. That means the perimeter of this triangle is equal to sum of length of SQ plus QR plus RT. So in this way it is there. Now here we have to draw these two segments PS and PT. Now again next point is, here this angle Q is of measure 70 degree and R is of measure 80 degree. So here we got triangle PQS. It is an isosceles triangle. That means the measure of angle PSQ and angle SPQ, these two angles will be of same measure. This is by isosceles triangle theorem. So if we consider measure of this angle as x, the same will be the measure of angle SPQ. Now in triangle PQS, angle PQR is exterior angle. Therefore by remote interior angle theorem we can write angle PQR is equal to measure of angle PSQ plus measure of angle SPQ. So measure of angle PQR is 70 degree is equal to measure of angle PSQ is x plus measure of angle SPQ is also x, is 2x. So 70 is equal to 2x, x is equal to 70 upon 2, that is x is equal to 35 degree. So here we get measure of angle S is equal to 35 degree. Now in the same way, on the other side also, triangle PRT is an isosceles triangle. Therefore these two angles will be of same measure. Let it be y each. Now therefore here we can write y plus y is equal to 80. Therefore 2y is equal to 80. y is equal to 80 upon 2. Therefore, y is equal to 40 degree. That means measure of angle T is equal to 40 degree. So in this way, first of all, we have to draw segment ST. After that, we have to draw these two angles, angle S and angle T, that will give us point P. Now here we are going to draw the rough figure, and by that way we are going to see what steps, what is the sequence of the steps that we have to perform while drawing this triangle. So first of all, we have to draw the segment equal to the length of perimeter. So here this is S and T. So X, that is angle S, is 35. So we have to draw an angle of measure 35 in this way. After that, Y, that is measure of angle T, is 40 degree. So we have to draw an angle of measure 40 degree. Now here at this step we got this position, that is P. That means we got the first point of the triangle PQR. Now we have to get these 2 points. Now this is a vertex of an isosceles triangle. That means this vertex must be on the perpendicular bisector of segment PS. So here we have to draw perpendicular bisector of segment PS in this way. So this is perpendicular bisector that will give us point Q. And in the same way, if we draw perpendicular bisector of PT, that will give us point R. After that, we have to draw segment PQ and segment PR. So in this way we get the triangle PQR. Now whatever the measurements are there, that we have to write in the rough figure. So here the total length of ST is 9.5 centimeter. The measurement of angle S is 35 degree. By that way, here we get the measure of this angle Q is 70 degree. Measure of angle T is 40 degree. By that way, we get the measure of angle R as 80 degree. So in this way we can construct this triangle. So first step is draw segment equal to the length 9.5. So this is a segment equal to length 9.5. So it is ST. Now we have to draw an angle of measure 35 degree. So angle S of measure 35 degree. So this is 35 degree. So in this way we have to draw a ray passing through that point. At the same time, angle T of measure 40 degree. this will give us point P. After that, we have to draw perpendicular bisectors of PS and PT. So first PS, take more than half distance, and from point P just we have to intersect the first arcs. Then draw a line passing through these 2 points of intersections. So this gives us point Q. After that, we have to draw perpendicular bisector of PT. So take more than half distance, draw arc on both sides, just intersect from point P and draw a line passing through these 2 points of intersections. That gives us point R. After that, we have to join point P and Q. Similarly, point P and R. So this is about the construction. Students, now we are going to take the example of the same type, that is example number 3, in which we are going to construct triangle LMN in which two base angles are M of 60 degree and N of 80 degree, and the perimeter of triangle is 11 centimeter. All of you understood first example, and now we are going to take this example directly. First of all, we are going to draw the rough figure of this example. So for that, first we have to draw a segment equal to the perimeter length. So this is a segment equal to perimeter length. Now these two endpoints are apart from the name of the triangle. Therefore, let it be P, let it be Q. Now, here in this way, L, M, N. In this way, the triangle LMN will be there. So, if angle M is on this side, the measure of angle P will be half of measure of angle M. So, measure of angle M is 60. So, measure of angle P will be 30. At the same time, measure of angle Q will be half of measure of angle N. So, N is 80. So, measure of angle Q will be 40. So, in that way, here we have to draw angle P of measure 30 degree. And angle Q of measure 40 degree. So this is 30 and 40 degree. The total length is 11 centimeter. Now here we have to draw perpendicular bisector of this segment. Here we got the first point of the triangle, that is point L. Now this perpendicular bisector give us the second point, that is M, and another perpendicular bisector gives us point N. So this is the rough diagram of this example. Now the last step in this rough diagram is draw segment LM and segment LN. So in this way we can construct the triangle LMN. First of all, we have to draw a segment equal to the perimeter length. So this is a segment equal to perimeter length, that is 11 centimeter. This is segment PQ. Now here angle P is 30 degree. Therefore we have to draw angle P of measure 30 degree. So this is 30 degree. So draw a ray showing angle P of measure 30 degree. After that, angle Q of measure 40 degree. So for that, place this protractor on point Q and draw an angle of measure 40 degree. So this gives us the first point of this triangle, that is L. Now we have to draw perpendicular bisectors of these two sides, that is PL and QL. So first of all we are going to take PL, take more than half distance, draw arc on both sides. After that we have to intersect these arcs from center L. So in this way we are constructing perpendicular bisector of segment PL. Now in the next step we are going to draw perpendicular bisector of segment QL. So for that we have to take more than a half distance and draw arc on both side of QL. Then just intersect the arcs and draw the perpendicular bisector line passing through these two points of intersections. Now in this case we got the remaining 2 points. Now this is point M and this is N. Now the last step of this example is draw segment LM and segment LN. So this completes the construction of triangle. Now again students, if you are having any doubt regarding these constructions, you can make a call or you can WhatsApp the example and get the doubts cleared. Thank you.